PrizeRebel is a reliable site that pays you for taking surveys, watching videos, completing offers, and doing other easy tasks. However, there are a couple of things that you must know before joining or signing up for this site. So sit back and relax, watch this video very carefully until the end. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel, and for today's video I'm gonna be talking about one of the best paying survey site called PrizeRebel. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe right now. And click the notification bell so that you will be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video about making money online. There are a lot of ways to make money online. You just type "make money online" on the search engine and you will see thousands of results, all offering opportunities to make money. The challenge, of course, is to find the ones that are legitimate and those that won't waste your time or money. For this review, I'll discuss one opportunity that you will likely encounter in your search. This site is called PrizeRebel, which is a reward site that allows you to earn points in various ways. The points you earn can be redeemed for cash and gift cards. Some users say that you can earn about $200 a month with this program. Before we verify that amount, let us first see if PrizeRebel is really a legitimate opportunity or not. You can also check out the step-by-step training that helps me earn over $9,000 plus per month working from home by clicking the first link in the description box below. What is PrizeRebel? PrizeRebel is a rewards site with over 10 million plus members. They have paid out over $22 million since 2007. Members are able to earn points by completing activities such as answering surveys, watching videos, or completing free offers. With the points earned, you can exchange them for cash or brand name gift cards at a 1 point to 1 cent ratio. So for every 100 points you earn, you'll be able to redeem them for $1 in gift card credit. First and foremost, you will need to open an account. Step 1. Just head over to PrizeRebel by clicking the link in the description box below on a desktop or mobile phone. Step 2. Fill out your name, email, and password. Or if you prefer, sign up with your existing Facebook login with one click. A confirmation email will then be sent to you. Step 3. Confirm your account by clicking on the link in your email, and you're all set to start earning. After your first login, you will be prompted to do a walkthrough of the site where the site will give you some hints as to where you can find different things on the site. Complete the walkthrough and you will quickly earn some free and easy points within minutes. Once you have completed the walkthrough, fill out the PrizeRebel questionnaire profile. By answering the questions truthfully, PrizeRebel will match you with the surveys that best match your demographic for the best high-paying surveys. How to start earning money with PrizeRebel. PrizeRebel offers members various ways to earn money. I'll go over the 4 best methods to earn: watching videos, completing offers, answering questions on surveys. You can find all methods of earning points under their Earn drop-down menu. PrizeRebel earning methods. Let's go over how each one of these works. 1. Surveys. The best way to earn money on PrizeRebel, in my opinion, is through market research surveys. With one of the largest inventory of surveys available amongst all other survey sites, the earning potential is endless. Your responses to surveys are anonymous and confidential. They are used to help researchers better market their products and understand user habits. Consistency is key when doing surveys. Your responses should be the same whether it's at the start or end of a survey. Speeding through survey, missing attention check questions, or inconsistency with your responses will lead to disqualification. 2. Offers walls. Offer walls are simply extra bonus offers given by the partners of PrizeRebel. You can click on various tabs on the offer walls page to join an offer. These bonus offers can include various tasks like surveys, quiz, videos to watch, downloading and installing apps, etc. But most of the time these offers are going to be surveys. Offer walls gives you a great opportunity to earn extra points. If your daily quota for surveys has been exhausted, then you can look out of these offers. 3. Watching videos. Watching videos might be the slowest method but is the most consistent earning method. You earn points based on the number of ads you watch while enjoying videos that interest you. You'll find content about food, celebrities, and various other topics. Make sure to check if the video provider requires you to make an account and link it with PrizeRebel to earn points. 4. Referrals. This can be one of the best ways to earn points with PrizeRebel if you have a website with a lot of traffic. For referring one referral you can earn up to 30% of his points. Referrals can be the most profitable way to make money if you are a serious bloggers. Ways to refer. YouTube, blogging. Vlogs and videos are an excellent way to get massive amounts of referrals while building an audience of your own. Social media. Share your referral link on social media. There are plenty of people you may know who want to earn quick cash by filling out surveys with PrizeRebel. Blogging. Start a blog or a personal website and share your experience by writing about PrizeRebel. Write about your survey taking and reward redemption experience so other users can follow your experience and do the same. So these were 4 major ways to make money with PrizeRebel. Payment method. Redeeming your points for rewards. Once you've earned enough points to claim your chosen reward, you can go to the rewards link on the site and choose your prize. Cash and gift card rewards at PrizeRebel. Some of the rewards that you can find on the redemption page. Visa gift card, PayPal cash payment, Amazon gift cards, Walmart gift card, iTunes gift card, shopping gift cards from Best Buy, GameStop, JCPenney, Target and more. Restaurant gift cards from places like Domino's Pizza, IHOP, Starbucks and Caribou and more. Personally, I prefer to do the straight-up cash payments via PayPal because I can use that in any way I choose. When you request your reward, all claims are processed and completed within 24 hours from the time of your redemption. If you are a gold level account or higher, your claim will be processed within 10 minutes. PrizeRebel is a great site to earn extra income on the side. Sadly, you won't be able to quit your day job or put a down payment on a new home or car by completing surveys on PrizeRebel, or on any reward site for that matter. What's great, however, is that you can earn extra income during your free time, with a majority of users making $40 - $500 a month. That's not too shabby. Don't wait, sign up today on PrizeRebel by clicking the link in the description box below and start earning in your free time. Thank you so much for watching this video, and again feel free to share to your friends. Let's go together and earn more extra income. If you have questions, comment them below and I will answer them personally.